The lighthouse keeper's promise. In a quaint coastal village, there stood an old lighthouse that had guided ships safely to shore for generations. The lighthouse keeper, an earnest young man named Ethan, took great pride in his work. Every evening, as he lit the beacon, he would look out to the sea, hoping to catch a glimpse of the beautiful woman he had once met on a stormy night. Her name was Amelia, a spirited traveler who had sought refuge in the lighthouse during a fierce storm. Ethan had taken her in, offering her warmth and safety. They spent the night talking, sharing stories of their lives and dreams. By morning, a deep connection had formed between them, but as quickly as she had arrived, Amelia had to leave, promising to return someday. Years passed, and Ethan never forgot Amelia. He faithfully tended to the lighthouse, holding on to the hope that she would come back. One golden sunset, as he was about to light the beacon, he noticed a familiar figure walking along the shore. His heart raced as he realized it was Amelia. They embraced, their eyes filled with the joy of reunion. Amelia explained that she had traveled the world, but her heart had always belonged to the lighthouse and the man who had shown her kindness. Ethan's patience and faith were rewarded as they stood together, watching the sun dip below the horizon, knowing they would never be apart again. Life lesson: true love endures time and distance, and patience can lead to the fulfillment of heartfelt promises. English lesson: vocabulary, quaint, coastal, earnest, refuge, beacon, connection, reunion, horizon. Idioms: catch a glimpse, deep connection, held on to hope, heart raced.